In this video, I'm going to show you how to create tables using HTML. Okay, so as usual, we are going to create our HTML file. I'm going to right click. No, instead, let's open up Notepad. I'm going to go to File, go to Save As. Then I'm going to select my desktop. Let's call this tables. The file type, we're going to select all files. We'll call that tables.html. I'm going to increase this. As usual, we are going to need our basic HTML structure. So let's do that. Bring the head to the head, title, tables. Then we'll bring the body, close the body. Then save this. Basically, let's add them. So in order to create a table, first of all, we are going to need to bring in the keyword table. Then we'll close the table tag. Each table has what we call a table header and then a table body, okay? And so when you take a look at the table contains what we call rows and columns. So that's something to keep in mind when we are creating tables. It's just an intersection between rows and columns that makes our table. So like in Excel, where we have rows and columns. So first of all, I'm going to bring in my table header by bringing a T head. I'll close my T head. In the table header, I'm going to bring in a T row, so like a TR, table row. Then in my table row, I'm going to bring in my TH. I'll call this, let's say name, TH. I'll close that. I'll bring in another TH. Let's call this email. Then I'll bring in the last one. Let's call this our index number. Okay, so I'm going to save this. I'll go to my desktop. I'm going to open it up, tables.html. And we have something like this. So this doesn't look like a table, right? But I assure you it is. So in order to make it look more table-like, let's add our table body. T body, close the T body. Inside the table body, what we're going to do is we're going to put in our TR. This is a table row. In the table row, we're going to have our table data. The table data for each row is going to be 3. We are going to have the name. So in my case, let's see, mushe-code. Another table data will be the email, which is musecode@example.com. Another one will be the index number, let's say 0001. I can close that, save, go back, and refresh. You can see that we have table, and you see that it's actually being aligned to each of the columns, right? Okay. Now, let's enable the borders. So border equals to 1. See that? Once you set the border to 1, it will encapsulate it inside the border for